Linking your bank account to GMR Transcription is a straightforward process that allows you to receive payments efficiently. Follow these steps to complete the linking process. Step 1. Create a GMR Transcription account. Visit the GMR Transcription website and sign up for an account if you haven't already. Fill in the required information, including your name, email address, and password to create your profile. Step 2. Access payment settings. Once logged into your GMR Transcription account, navigate to the Account Settings or Payment Settings section. Look for a tab or link that mentions payment methods or bank account linking. Step 3. Enter bank account information. In the payment settings, you will find an option to add a bank account. Enter your bank account details, including the account number, routing number, and the name on the account. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 4. Verify your bank account. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed in breaches without people even realizing it. Use iSork to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 5. Save changes and confirm. Once your bank account is verified, make sure to save any changes made in your account settings. You should receive a confirmation that your bank account is successfully linked, allowing you to receive payments directly to your bank. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to GMR Transcription and streamline your payment process. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to GMR Transcription support for assistance.